guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Let's get right into this video. So today we are trying the Pink and Glitter SAVILAND Polygel Kit. This kit comes with dual forms, a 180 grit hand file, slip solution, base coat and top coat, a polygel brush. It comes with this little booklet. I couldn't find the instructions, but they're probably in there somewhere. And this kit comes with 7 different polygels. The first color is clear. It's not really a polygel, it's more of a liquid-ish kind of gel. I'm not sure. Next is pink mauve. Next is pink bloom. Next is diamond silver. Some of the glitters in these glitter kits are repeats. Starlight feel. Diamond red. And lastly, diamond pink. Here are the swatches of all the colors, and let's get right into this nail set. So here are my sister's natural nails. We're going to start by pushing back the cuticles with my cuticle pusher. Next, I'm taking this circle bit on my e-file and just cleaning up around the cuticle. This is going to help push back the cuticles, also remove the dead skin from the nail plate. Next, I'm taking my cuticle scissors and just cutting off any of the excess cuticle. Then I'm taking my hand file and removing the shine from all of the nails. Now I'm taking some 100% acetone and removing any of the dust and oils that could be on the nails. Now I'm taking my KDS glue and I'm just gluing on all of the nail tips. Now I'm taking my nail clipper and we're doing a really short stiletto set today. I have never done this short of a stiletto set. You basically just want to take the nail clippers and cut at an angle on each side until it creates a triangle shape, and then you can just take off the excess nail. Now I'm taking my hand file and just shaping the tips. Now I'm taking my e-file with a sanding band and removing the shine from the nail tips, as well as blending them in with the natural nails. Now, instead of acetone, I'm taking some rubbing alcohol because I don't want to disturb the glued tips. And I'm just going to rub off any of the dust from the nails. This is going to work as my dehydrator. And then I'm taking this Young Nails primer and I'm putting a layer on each of the nails. And then I let that dry. I go in with a second coat of the primer. Now I'm taking some base coat and then putting a layer on each of the nails. And then I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. After After the base coat has been applied, my sister just picked out the polygels that she wants to use for this set. And we're first going to start off with the diamond pink glitter and put that at the tip of the ring fingernail. Then I'm taking some slip solution, and it had something in it. That did not come from me or anything around me. That came from inside of the bottle. And then another issue was this brush. The bristles were coming out of the brush. Not sure what happened there. That usually doesn't happen in a SAVILAND kit, but in this one it did. So I'm just dipping my brush in the slip solution and patting out the glitter polygel until it fits the tip. And then I am taking the pink mauve color and then putting that near the cuticle. We are doing a ombre, and I definitely put too much of this pink mauve color for this short nail. I'm used to working with long nails, okay? And then all of a sudden I noticed that there's a brush coming out of my brush. There's a little bristle coming out of my brush. So I just patted out the pink color and ombre that up to the tip, but there was so much polygel that it just kind of covered the glitter. I went back in with more glitter after I finished this layer. I got a lot of questions in the comments that asked me, do I cure the first bead and then do the cuticle bead? Yes, you want to cure the first bead, tip bead, and then you want to cure that, and then you can go in with the cuticle bead. You want to make sure that's cured or you're gonna have a little mess. So after I had the pink all figured out, I just went back in with the glitter and ombre that down into the rest of the nail. Now I'm taking this pink bloom color, which is this hot pink color, and I'm just taking that and putting a bead at the tip of the nail. I'm doing this whole nail this one color. And I'm doing the same thing on the pointer finger. The texture of this polygel, I like this texture, to be honest. It's not bad and it doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. It's not too grainy and it's not too like sticky or runny. I like this texture, except for the clear. The clear is not polygel, that's something else. The colored polygels are really good, and I really like the SAVILAND kits, especially because there's like many different colors that come in the kit. And I like how they're doing the like themed kit. Like I tried the blue one before, they have a purple one, I'm doing the pink one in this video. After I did the tip beads on all the nails, I just went in with a cuticle bead. I made sure to make it really thin because I'm gonna go over this with a glitter polygel. I'll build up the nail with the glitter polygel basically. And I also saw some comments that they don't really like the SAVILAND kit because tubes of polygels are only halfway full. And to be honest, yes, they are. They are only halfway, kind of halfway full, but I mean, I still think it's good. I feel like they should definitely fill the bottles more. So I'm doing the same thing on the thumb that I did on the ring finger, but instead of doing the tip of the nail first, I did the cuticle area and blended the glitter down into the pink color. Next, I'm taking the Starlight Feel glitter polygel from this kit. I'm putting a bead over the entire nail and I'm just patting that out. I basically just wanted these nails covered in glitter. I wanted to use two glitters. I wanted to use both of these glitters. So I tried to find a way to kind of incorporate both of the glitters and both of the pink colors into this set. And I'm just doing the same thing on the rest of the nails. I'm just adding that Starlight Feel polygel. Now I'm taking the clear that comes with the kit and I'm just putting that over the ombre nails. You have to encapsulate the ombre nails or you will just file away the blended part. Clear polygel is not polygel, and you can tell like how sticky it is by how many times I wiped off my brush aggressively. After you spread it out kind of thin, it doesn't get as sticky. So after all the polygel has been applied, I'm just taking my dust collector and my hand file and reshaping these nails. Next, I'm taking my buffer that's not really a buffer and buffing the nails. And they're looking really cute so far. Now, I'm not gonna add any bling or anything. We're just gonna finish this look off with some top coat. I definitely think these nails are turning out way better than I expected. I was really afraid to do this short stiletto shape because I just thought it would look weird, but I actually really like this shape. And my sister was so excited because she's been asking me to do this, but I've just been too scared to do it because I just didn't want it to look weird. I did it and she was so excited. After the top coat has been applied, I'm just adding some cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Like I said, these nails turned out way better than I expected. I actually like this short stiletto shape. It looks really cute. And for you guys who do short nails and you like doing short stiletto nails, here's a video for you guys. Because I know not everyone does long nails like I always do. I really enjoyed working with this kit. I really like the colors and the glitters, and Saviland should continue making the colored kits. They should do like many of the colors. If you guys are interested in this kit, the link will be down below. Hopefully I'll be coming out with a lot more content soon and getting my editing schedule back in order because that has been a problem recently. Also, thank you guys so much for 40,000 subscribers. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.